Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you find your Coinbase tax documents? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Coinbase tax documents anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Every year, the IRS is asking more and more questions about your crypto, and Coinbase makes it easy to find those tax documents to provide to your accountant or CPA. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Coinbase tax documents, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the blue Manage Account button. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a menu here on the left, and you want to click on Taxes. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a menu here on the top, and you want to click on Documents. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your 1099s that were issued by Coinbase. You can see I have one right here. Now, if you simply a report showing you your gains or losses for each year, you can go ahead and scroll down, and those reports are here available in PDF or CSV. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Coinbase tax documents, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.